Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Smartsheet and Slack for automated project notifications step by step clearly. To activate Smartsheet and Slack for automated project notifications, begin by logging into your Smartsheet account. Navigate to the project sheet for which you want to set up notifications. In the top menu, click on Automation. From the drop-down, select Manage Workflows. Next, click on Create Workflow to start a new automation. Choose the trigger for your workflow. For example, you might select when a row is added or changed. Now, set the specific conditions for your trigger if needed. Once the trigger is configured, click on Add Action to specify what happens next. Select Send Notification from the list of actions. In the notification settings, you can customize the message that will be sent to Slack. Now, open a new tab and log into your Slack account. Go to your desired Slack channel where notifications will be sent. Click on the channel name at the top of the page. Select Integrations from the menu options. In the Integrations page, look for the Incoming Webhooks option. Add a new incoming webhook integration to your Slack channel. Copy the generated webhook URL. Return to your Smartsheet tab. In the action settings for your notification, choose Custom Webhook as the delivery method. Paste the webhook URL into the designated field. Test the connection to ensure it's working correctly. If successful, finalize the configuration and click Save. Return to your workflow and turn it on. Now, whenever the specified trigger occurs, your project notifications will automatically be sent to Slack. Monitor your Slack channel to verify that notifications are being received as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.